Hello guys, today we're going to show you the demo video about DIY card reviewed and also printer solution. This is a demo video and you can show to the customer. First, let's see the app. We need to download the app from our website www.monstermode.com, and we haven't uploaded the latest software yet. Once we upload, release the final app, and we will inform you to download. It is the app, and it will be like a little bit different from what we have than earlier, right? So let's go for it. Now haven't connect to any of the device, and we try to search. We search this one, and we connect the device to this one, and it show like this. Okay, so let's go for first step. This is the lock. We can activate and show the screensaver, and you can show the latest back film. And maybe sometimes we need to customize some poster. You can, like, if for Diwali time, you can send like customer some special poster to us. We will display on your device. Okay, let's go for it. Vivo. I had the dummy of Vivo S10 China, so let's go for it. S10. Okay, this is S10. And here, earlier we just had cancel and confirm. Now we have one more option, revealed. And at this time we need to like scan the app, and now we come to here because now we are still working on the app, developing app. So some function, some language issue, we haven't completed the translation yet. So some translation we still need to do. So we're going to, like, in the future, even this time we have like 20 kind of back film. We will have this kind of QR code here. Earlier we don't have QR code here. So it is the sample we got from the factory. Okay, we haven't put the QR code yet, but the final product we will have the QR code. So SN number R7. So we find we have R7. Okay, R7. Okay, we will never worry about what we cut. We cannot cut the, so we will have customize where to cut, like where to do, like this. So maybe this one just like this, and we will have some others. For example, we have R1, first one. Okay, and we scan the model. Okay, it is what we're going to do. Make sure we can cut like in the middle, and we will see the fitting and which model. Okay, you can cut in this way, you can cut here, you can cut here, you can cut here. That's what we can do. Okay, let's see some special design from our back film. Okay, and scan the model. It will show like this. Can you hear? I think you can hear very clear. where we're going to cut, right? And also we have we try to cut one special one and scan this one, like this. Okay, let's put the this is a manual one, so we put it here, and we want this burning in the middle, so we can adjust the position like we want. If we want it cut like this, okay, let's do it. So this is the new function that we're going to release in this stage, and you will once you receive the new backfilm, and we will release the software at the same time. So make sure that when you receive the new backfilm, and you can have very good selling point in the market. The funnel, we have a cup. It will be like move to the side. It will like, you see. Normally it's in the middle, and if you want to adjust, you can come to here. So it is the position review for the backfilm, and we're going to also show you what we can do for the printer solution. Okay, here's the yellow button, scan to print. Okay, we will come to like a backfilm design looks like this one. You can take the picture. Okay, the picture, it will come. You can add and adjust the place, or if you want to like you don't satisfy with this, remove. And if we can select the pictures from your mobile phone, like for example, okay, let's like okay, this one, right? You can do in this way. You can zoom big or zoom small, and preview. It will be like adjusting Canon printer, and then it will be like perfect. Okay, this is almost like what we're going to do in the and we select the size 5 into 7 inch. Okay, printer. I haven't activated. I'll show you later on the printers option. So we will have better another video to show you the printer solution. This is just the demo video, and this is to show you. Okay, that's all. Almost done today, so we'll send you and update you more information soon. Bye.